Well, hello. Thank you for joining us today for another Etsypreneur.com video. We're going to talk about how to install Google Analytics in WordPress using a plugin. I hope the video is helpful. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments on the blog or at YouTube. Thank you. Well, hello. This is Tim from Etsypreneur.com. I hope you're having a great day or a night, as the case may be. I'm just going to show you real quickly how to install a plugin in WordPress that you can use to easily install Google Analytics. So I'm at my Etsypreneur site, and I need to do this on this site because I've just moved the website to a new server and reinstalled WordPress. So yeah, it's not on here currently. So I'm going to do that, but it's already an established account in Google Analytics, which I'll show you where you would set up a new account. So I'm going to go to the dashboard in WordPress and just go to plugins and add new, and then I'm just going to type in Google Analytics and search. Now there's a few plugins here, and I'm going to probably pause the video for a second while I figure out exactly which one it is that I want, and then I'll tell you. Okay, I'm going to use Google Analytics for WordPress by Joost de Valk. The reason I'm picking this one is because of the author of the plugin, Joost. He has a website, Joost, spelled differently, YOAST.com, and based on the name of the website, I assume that's properly how you pronounce his name. So anyway, he's excellent, really smart, does a great WordPress SEO plugin, and I trust his stuff, and I've used this particular plugin on another site, so I'm going to install it here. So you just, yes, install it, and activate the plugin. And then there's, you have to, this particular plugin uses the Analytics API. So I'm going to click in here and do that. This is after you've set up your, this is after you've set up your Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com. I believe there's a tutorial on Everything Etsy on how to set that up, and I'll link to that in the post with this video. So I'm going to click on that. And it's asking, do you want to allow it to connect, and I'll say grant access, and then it's going to ask me which account I want to use, and I've got a whole bunch of them, and I want to use Etsypreneur.com. So you would, you may have one or two or however many you have. They're all right there, so that makes it kind of easy and nice. And then, so where should the tracking code be? In the header. That's what you want. A lot of, anyway, you want it in the header. Some people say put it in the footer, but you'll get different kind of stats because sometimes blog pages get long, and you'll have people on the site that don't actually never get down to the bottom and see the footer. So you want to count everybody that comes to the site. So track outbound clicks and downloads. That's one of the other reasons that I picked this plugin, is I knew that it did this. It sets up event tracking in Google Analytics. I haven't gotten to that level of advanced analytics research yet, but I'm gonna, because I put that on Everything Etsy, and I want to see where people go, for outbound clicks. So I think that's it. So I'm just going to say update Google Analytics settings, and that's really the end of it. I'm done. It's all set, and that's it. Good to go. Well, all right. I sure hope that was helpful to you, and you'll be able to get Google Analytics set up on your blog. I want to point out a couple resources. If you don't have a Google Analytics account yet, you can go to analytics.google.com and set one up. There's a post on Everything Etsy at this short URL that goes through the process as it was a year ago or so for setting up an Etsy shop on Google Analytics, so maybe that'll be helpful to you. Where that short URL will take you is to everythingetsy.com, which is our other blog, which is, hopefully you already know about. We wish everybody knew about it, but if not, please go check it out, everythingetsy.com. And to follow all of our videos, Etsypreneur and Everything Etsy, it's on the same YouTube channel at youtube.com/everythingetsy. Thank you for being here, and visit us soon. Have a good day.